English verbs commonly used in electrical engineering. Activate, to turn something on. Press the button to activate the machine. Assemble, to put parts together. Example, the team assembled the new equipment in the lab. Calculate, to figure out a value, like voltage or current. Example, you need to calculate the resistance before connecting the components. Control, to manage or operate a device. Example, the system controlled the flow of electricity throughout the building. Convert, to change one form of energy to another. The transformer converts high voltage AC into low voltage DC. Design, to create a plan or layout. She designed the electrical layout for the new office building. Detect, to find or sense something. Example, the sensor detects changes in the current and sets off an alarm. Install, to set up and connect equipment. Example, the electrician installed the new lighting system in the warehouse.
The technician needs to inspect the equipment for any defects. The doctors decided to isolate the patient to prevent the spread of the infection.
To determine a value, like voltage or current. Example, the engineer used a multimeter to measure the voltage drop. To watch and track something. Example, the control system monitors the voltage levels continuously. Test, to check if something works. Example, after assembly, test the circuit to ensure it is working properly. Troubleshoot, to find and fix problems. Example, we need to troubleshoot the circuit to find out what's wrong.
Wire, to connect with cables. Example, he wired the components based on the diagram.
Distribute, to spread power to different areas. Example, the electrical panel will distribute power to all the outlets in the building.
Ground, to connect safely to the earth to avoid shocks. Operate, to run or use a device. Example, the generator operates continuously to supply backup power.
Overload, the circuit overloaded due to excessive current flow. Program, before using the robot, you should program it with the correct instructions.
Always protect your hands when working with electrical components. Regulate the speed of the fan to match the temperature of the room.
We need to replace the old wiring with new cables for better safety.
Secure the doors and windows before leaving the building for the night.
Short, to accidentally connect wires, causing a short circuit. Example, a short circuit occurred when the wires touched each other. Supply, to provide something, like power. Example, the power supply unit provides an electricity to the device.
Solder, to join parts by melting metal. Example, he soldered the connections to ensure a stable electrical contact.
Switch, to turn on or off. Example, switch the device off before making any adjustments.
Upgrade, we upgrade the electrical system to manage the higher load.